Welcome friends, in this video we are going to deal about functions of muscles. So one by one we will see the functions of muscles and also deal them. So the first one is produce movement as well as locomotion. So again the word locomotion comes here. Now the second one is stabilize joint. Third, maintain posture. Fourth, control body opening and generate heat. So, what the word movement and locomotion actually mean here? Movement is moving a particular part, like just giving example by movement of hand, eye blinking, any gesture, etc. But locomotion means something different. Locomotion is translocating from one place to another. Now we will see and deal the second point, that is stabilization of joint. So actually how the muscles stabilize joint. So joint stability is maintained by the tendons of many muscles which are extended over joint and in this way contribute to joint stability. Next is maintain posture. So posture maintenance is done by its flexibility and strength of muscles. Third one is generation of heat. Generation of heat is done by muscle contraction and also controlling of body opening. Next we are going to see nomenclature of skeletal muscles. Nomenclature means naming of muscles. There are over 639 muscles. So how to remember that? It is little bit harder to remember all the important muscles. So nomenclature is done to remember all the muscles, all the important principal skeletal muscles. So naming is according to shape. First one example is deltoid muscles. Deltoid muscle is named just because of their triangular shape and is named after Greek letter delta, which is triangular in shape. Second is according to number of head of origin, that is biceps and triceps. We all know that muscles is attached to bones. So attachment of muscle to least movable part or stationary part of bone is called origin, and attachment of muscle to most movable part is insertion. So origin means attachment of muscle to least movable part. Third one is according to location, means where they are located. Example, pectoralis major and pectoralis minor are named because they are located in the pectoral region in front of the chest. Fourth naming is according to direction of fiber, that is rectus abdominis, because of straight fibers. Rectus means straight. It is according to functions of muscles, means naming is according to function, what function they perform. Example, adductor longus produces adduction of the body part. 6 is according to attachment, that is from where to where they are attached. Example, cricothyroid, sternomastoid, etc. Next we will see the properties of muscles. First property is extensibility and elasticity. Second, excitability. Third, contractility. Fourth, conductivity, and fifth one is tonicity. So starting with the first, extensibility is the ability of the muscles to elongate when stretched, means whenever we apply stretch on muscle it gets elongate. That property is called extensibility. The second property is elasticity. Elasticity is the just opposite of extensibility, means when we remove stretch, muscle come into its original shape or original length. Third property is excitability, that is it is the ability of muscle to respond to a stimulus, means whenever we apply or give stimuli, muscle produce a response. Fourth property is conductivity. Conductivity is ability of the muscles to transmit an impulse from one part of the fiber to another part. Next is tone. Tone is the state of partial sustained contraction seen in all muscles. The last property is contractility. Contractility is the ability of the muscles to shorten or contract in response to a stimulus.